already recording right now. Yo.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
The camera hat, I just got a...
It's crazy, right? What's up, man? You ready to rock?
Don't I look cool? Don't can the camera now. Oh, yeah.
No sugar free. Peppermint padding.
Then it means it's not candy. Well, train is part of it. Ooh.
What is it? A little bit on the top to make it look like,
Shit! Hellboy strikes again.
No, yeah. Oh, thank you. Look, oh man, that thing would have bit me if it was alive. Got a little coolness to it. We almost done with this shit.
Trying to get it done ASAP.
I really need that bucket. Thank you, man. All right. Hello?
You know, it does work. I wouldn't mess with it too much. I think it kind of works.
Yeah.
That's it, man.
All right.
That's it. I'll quit.
What, should I write it over here or what?
Maybe, yeah, mural created by...
E.L. Yeah. You guys got some weird ass names, man. That's it, right? Okay. There we go. Done. Oh my God. Over and out.